Tableau or Power BI? Learn the wrong one and you could miss out on thousands of job opportunities. Here's the definitive answer. Two tools dominate the data visualization market. Tableau, the original heavyweight. Power BI, Microsoft's fast-growing challenger. Both let you build beautiful dashboards. Both appear on data analyst job listings worldwide. But they are not the same, and choosing the right one could make a significant difference to your career. Let's settle the debate once and for all. Both Tableau and Power BI connect to data sources, let you build interactive charts and dashboards, and allow you to share reports with stakeholders. The difference is in their philosophy. Tableau was built by data visualization purists. It's arguably the most powerful and flexible tool for complex, custom visuals. Power BI was built by Microsoft to integrate seamlessly into the Microsoft ecosystem: Office 365, Azure, Teams, SharePoint. Power BI Desktop is completely free. Power BI Pro, needed for sharing and collaboration, costs around $10 per user per month. Tableau Creator licenses cost significantly more, typically around $70 per user per month. For individual learners and smaller organizations, Power BI is the more accessible choice. For enterprise procurement, cost often drives organizations toward Power BI as well. Tableau wins on visual flexibility and depth. For complex, publication-quality visualizations, custom maps, detailed scatter plots, pixel-perfect design control, Tableau is unmatched. Power BI wins on integration and breadth. If your organization uses Microsoft products, Power BI connects natively to Excel, SQL Server, Azure, SharePoint, and Teams, in a way Tableau simply cannot match inside a Microsoft environment. Power BI dominates job listings across Europe, the Middle East, and many Asia-Pacific markets due to Microsoft's strong enterprise presence globally. Tableau remains strong in the US market and at large consulting firms worldwide. Both tools appear in listings globally, but the volume of Power BI jobs is considerably larger in most regions outside North America. Both tools command competitive salaries in the data and analytics market globally. Tableau specialists are often positioned as premium hires due to the tool's reputation. Power BI professionals benefit from higher job volume and faster career progression. Senior BI developers proficient in both tools are among the most sought-after data professionals in any market. If you're starting out, learn Power BI first. It's free, it's in massive global demand, and it integrates with tools you likely already use. Once you're proficient in Power BI, adding Tableau is relatively quick, the concepts transfer. If you're specifically targeting US tech companies or consulting firms, start with Tableau. But for most learners worldwide, Power BI is the smart starting point. Uplatz offers in-depth Tableau and Power BI courses covering everything from your first dashboard to advanced DAX and Power Query. Visit uplatz.com to enroll today. Subscribe for more data career content every week.